Now I am going to cover how to use improved affiliate campaign creation flow. First, go to Go High Level sub account, then click Marketing. Next, click Affiliate Manager, then Campaign. Now, click Add button to create a new campaign. It will open a new page. Here, just select funnels, then select sourcing details. Here you can see the products. If you want, you can remove and you can add a new product. Then click Next button. In this page, you can set the commissions. You can also add advanced commission settings. Here I am adding a two-tier commission. Then click Save. Then click Next. Here you can type campaign description. Then assign affiliate. You can also add additional settings. Here you can change the cookie life. Then click Finish button and click Publish now. This is the way to use improved affiliate campaign creation flow. I hope this video will be helpful. Thanks.